Alrighty, welcome back, you guys. It is still the middle of summer, hot, 90 degrees. We are just chilling in our Altera tent, boondocking. Not my favorite time to camp, but it's a lot better with one of these. This is the Gouka portable air conditioner, and it talks to you. Good user manual. It has an app that you can download and a remote control. Really nice. Has a sleep timer, turbo mode, cooling, dry. It'll be at work like an evaporator. 3-speed fan, temperature controlled. I don't think we have batteries in this thing. No, I'll have to get some batteries. You can have it inside your tent and vent the hot air out, or you can have the unit outside of your tent and attach the other hose thing that goes on the front right over this, and then run the hose up into like your rooftop tent, so the unit can sit outside and just the air goes out the back, the hot air, and the cool air will be routed up into your tent. So two options for that. I don't know that we'd use it in the rooftop tent because we don't go in there a lot, so it'd be more if Jack came with us. But this option is nice. Inside the tent, vent the hot air out, and the unit stays protected from the weather. One thing I like about this is a budget air conditioner, and it's a really great price. We have another one that we've tried, and it's a little more money, well-known brand. It has a few more features and options, but I do like this one because it's all in one unit. It's just a cord you plug in. The other one we have has a big power brick which you got to haul around and then hook into this and then plug in. So I do like this, that it's all in one. It's got a nice big top handle, not super heavy. So yeah, you can use it as a dehumidifier if you want, cooling, heating, sleep, powerful air supply, and dehumidification modes, and a turbo mode. It can be app controlled. The touch screen's real nice up here. It's got a nice finish. You can aim the vent up and down. Honestly, Jack just went off to school and he's on the 3rd floor of a dorm house, and we are probably going to take this over to him to let him use during football camp because he is hot and he needs a window unit. We don't need to buy one because this can function just like any other air conditioner. We can put it in his dorm room, cool him off, and vent the air right out his top window. So really nice unit. Should last a long time. We'll see. This Guka brand is kind of new, but it is budget. Oh, so yeah, voice control. So it's got all these command words and how to execute the commands. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that they give you in the instructions, or you can use the remote. Hello, air conditioner.
Hello, how can I help you?
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
Nice. So it just changed from 68 to 60. Hello, air conditioner.
Hello, how can I help you?
Low speed wind.
Low speed wind.
And it goes down to the first setting. There you go. Pretty cool, you guys. AI. Hello, air conditioner.
Hello, how can I help you?
High speed wind.
High speed wind.
And just like that, right back up to speed. Very nice. You can tell it a timer mode, so you can have it run for 2 hours. They call it appointment time adjustment. So you can put for an hour, 2 hour, 24 hour. Very neat. A lot of commands listed in here. Now, it is going to use a good amount of power. So if you're at an electric site, that's great. Or if you have an inverter and a battery, if you have a bigger power station, I've seen it drawing up to 400 watts. So it will burn down a power station pretty quick. It's not something you can run for 24 hours unless you are plugged into electric somewhere, or you have a regular gas generator. But for those days where it's super hot and you want to cool down a little bit, you know, cool off your tent, anything, it'll help. So it comes with the front windshield, the rear windshield, the air duct, and the drain pipe, because it does create a little bit of fluid. In our experience, you don't have to hook up the drain pipe. It will kind of burn off or store the little bit of condensation inside of the unit, depending on how hot and humid it is outside. They recommend that you don't tilt it over a 30-degree angle. Prefer 10 degrees or less. The biggest thing is to make sure you exhaust the hot air coming out of your living area or wherever you're sitting, because otherwise you're just defeating the purpose. You're gonna have hot air overwhelming the cold air. But yeah, other than that, pretty, you know, basic, functional, like any kind of old school window unit, only this one's portable and really nice. I mean, even if you're, you know, sitting outside, not in a room, and you just want some cold air blowing on you for a little bit, just to cool somebody off rapidly, this is the ticket. Now, there is a screen vent you can get in here and clean. Just want to kind of take good care of it. The controls are really nice. Voice control, remote control. Again, I love that it's all in one. It doesn't have a carrying case. I wish it did. Some of the bigger brands, the other one we reviewed, has a nice carrying case. But like I said, it also comes with a power brick, and that's just one extra heavy thing to carry. This is all in one. So I do like it. One thing I wish you could turn off is the, and you might be able to, goes all the way down to 60 degrees. I don't think there's a way to turn off the brightness of the LED display, which that can be kind of annoying if you have it. If you're trying to sleep with it in your tent, it's going to be kind of bright. We have even used it. We have a 2-story house, and our rooms upstairs get really hot during the summer on those 90-degree days, and our main air unit for the house doesn't always cool them off really well. So I have used it at home in one of the bedrooms, and it works great. We just vent it out through the window of the house. So it's not something you have to have for camping. It can be used anywhere you would want some air conditioning. And I think at this price, we'll put links below and a discount and a affiliate code. I think it's really something probably worth getting if you do a lot of hot weather camping, especially if you're down south somewhere and just in a hot climate. Having this thing with you would be great, especially if you're somebody who goes to state parks and plugs in a lot, gets electric plug-in sites. This would be great, especially, or as I said, tent camping. We have that purple inflatable tent, which is primarily for winter. Doesn't have screens, so this would be great in there in the summer if we want to use it to keep it cooled off. She does seem to keep listening. I think you have to tell it to not listen anymore, but it's really functional. I like it. Not much more to say about it, but you guys check out the links below. Tell me what you think. Glamping, could come in handy, man. We hate the heat. I don't want to sweat. I really don't. That's why we love winter and fall camping. But for those really disgusting summer days that you're out, it would be great to have. So I think it's worth considering if you're, like I said, especially if you're in some hot weather climates and you just don't get a lot of cool air for camping. This would be good to have. So as always, thanks for joining us. You know, we're getting caught up on these gear videos. Our next trip video will be out next week, so stay tuned and we will see you soon.